COVID, first round of U.S. vaccinations to begin on Monday. The first 3 million doses of the vaccine would be shipped across all states this weekend, said Gen Gustave Perna, who is overseeing distribution. The vaccine offers up to 95% protection against COVID-19 and was deemed safe by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Authorizing the emergency use of the Pfizer/BioNTech vaccine on Friday, the FDA, which had come under intense pressure from the Trump administration to do so, said the move was a significant milestone in the pandemic. During a news conference on Saturday, Gen Perna, speaking for the U.S. government's vaccination campaign Operation Warp Speed, said doses of the vaccine would be packed into shipping containers for transportation within the next 24 hours. Expect 145 sites across the states to receive the vaccine on Monday, another 425 sites on Tuesday, and the final 66 sites on Wednesday, he said, adding that next week's distribution would complete the initial delivery of the Pfizer/BioNTech vaccine and cover about 3 million people. Gen Perna told reporters he was 100% confident that the doses needed to defeat the enemy COVID would be transported safely. The Pfizer vaccine has already received regulatory approval in the UK, Canada, Bahrain, and Saudi Arabia. The FDA's authorization for emergency use of the first COVID-19 vaccine is a significant milestone in battling this devastating pandemic that has affected so many families in the United States and around the world, the head of the agency, Stephen Hahn, said. He said the authorization came after an open and transparent review process that ensured the vaccine met the FDA's rigorous, scientific standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality. On Thursday, medical experts advising the FDA recommended the emergency use authorization. Emergency use, the FDA said, was not the same as full approval, which would require Pfizer to file a separate application to secure. U.S. media reported that Mr. Hahn had earlier been told to approve the vaccine for emergency use by Friday or quit. Mr. Hahn, however, said the reports were untrue and stressed that the agency had not compromised safety in its testing. The Pfizer/BioNTech vaccine was the first coronavirus jab to show promising results in the latter stages of its testing process. It is a new type called an mRNA vaccine that uses a tiny fragment of genetic code from the pandemic virus to teach the body how to fight COVID-19 and build immunity. The vaccine contains a small piece of the COVID-19 virus's mRNA that instructs cells in the body to make the virus's distinctive spike protein, the FDA said. The vaccine is given as 2 injections, 21 days apart, with the second dose being a booster. Special shipping containers that use dry ice will be used to transport frozen vials direct to the point of vaccination, Pfizer says. The pharmaceutical company has agreed a deal to supply the U.S. with 100 million doses of the vaccine by March. An additional 200 million doses of a second vaccine, developed by Moderna and the National Institutes of Health, will be provided by June. COVID, FDA approves Pfizer vaccine for emergency use in U.S. Play the 11-year-old fighting for India's farmers. Who will make money from COVID vaccines? Polish women forced abroad for abortion. UK v US in Call of Duty showdown. Charlie Pride, country music singer dies of COVID-19.